I'm speaking to you in New Zealand, God's own country, and I love you. And do you know why I love you so much? I am a granddaughter of you, which is to say that my Danish grandmother came down with her father and was born in Christchurch. So that's where part of me belongs. I love you so much in New Zealand. I'd be with you today, except I'm rehearsing for a play. I'm just so successful. I'm just in a play in the West End, and so I can't get out of it. Otherwise, I'd be with you there now to say, look at this. This is the book I've written especially for you. In it, I've written all about my young life in the Far East. I've written about my life at a convent boarding school. I've written about being a model in the swinging 60s, about being out of work, about having my baby, about being in the New Avengers. Do you remember the New Avengers? And then life as it rocketed on, getting bigger and bigger and fatter. It's crammed with stars. And then going straight into Ab Fab. Well, of course, we've just filmed 3 more episodes of Ab Fab. Fantastic, you'll be getting them soon, because I made them for you, New Zealand. And just in case you forgot who I was, I can't believe you would do that to me. I had written under here, Joanna Lumley, absolutely fabulous. I love you. Buy this book. You won't regret it.